Dang, I'm always dropping stuff. Welcome to Euphoric Granny, Miss Lori. I'm so happy that y'all made it to this episode. Today we're going to be doing a lot of gardening, and I'm going to show you how much my plants have grown in my backyard and stuff like that, and some more surprises. Yeah, day and night, night and day, and a few days pass before I see y'all again. I'm so happy to see you. And let's go. This is Black-Eyed Susan. Daylilies. This is hibiscus. My Rose of Sharon. This flower tree. I have lots of them, y'all. Rose of Sharon. Sitting next to some Black-Eyed Susan. My camera won't focus. Bachelor buds mixed with Black-Eyed Susans. I have so many different flowers, y'all. I'm taking you through my garden. Sunflowers. Beautiful sunflowers. And under the sunflowers, we have some collard greens, lettuce, bachelor buds with butterflies. Look at the butterfly. Such a pretty butterfly. Because this is a butterfly garden. And over here is my yarrow, you guys. Look at all my yarrow. It's very medicinal. Yarrow is very good. It's a natural blood clotter. It's just as good as a Band-Aid. And I have a big patch of yarrow. I love my yarrow, y'all. Yarrow's a very, very good medicinal plant, and it has like little feathers. See how they're feathery? The yarrow. And I have a little bit of hibiscus in the middle, and down yonder, well, more daylilies. And another hibiscus tree. And this tree is blooming its flowers too. So yeah, I'm surrounded by edibles, beautiful flowers everywhere, more daylilies, just everywhere. Flowers in Granny's yard, turnips, vegetables, carrots, potatoes. Let me see. Let me get y'all a turnip, just so you can see. Now that's turnip. Let me lay her down. Turnips. They turn up everywhere. They're delicious too. And I eat the greens. This is a meal. Over here, this is underneath all this, you will find all kinds of different kinds of potatoes. And here is carrots. And everything's mixed with flowers. Granny loves flowers. They've closed because it's evening, yeah. But yeah, this is all flowers. Those are actually white daisies. They'll open in the morning. They close because the sun went down. But yeah, everywhere you look, you see flowers. And back there are my snuffleupagus. Well, that's a big flower. So my garden goes on and on like the break of dawn, yeah. This has really grown since the last time you seen it. It used to be like a snuffleupagus. Now it's huge. It's huge. And yeah, inside of this is bird feeders and birds and animals and things that live inside of this big old plant. And this is a sweet autumn clematis. It's huge. Excuse the kids. They're swimming. They're swimming in a lot of mint, a lot of tomatoes. And inside the flowers you'll find, these are hibiscus. They're gonna, bloom soon. But there's tomatoes in the hibiscus, all sorts of them. They're in here, mixed up. Everything's mixed up. Spinach mixed with tomatoes. Back to the black-eyed Susan. Y'all, I be busy out here all day in this garden for you. Motivating, meditating, focus, mindset. And I love you guys. Y'all make me happy. Empowering others makes me happy. Your light shines so bright. He's flying, yeah. They're so beautiful. Soaring through the skies. I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being here. And look at how beautiful my blooms are. I was so happy to see y'all today. But I'm going to have to float away. This session is about over. Subscribe.